Okay, so when you're sending an email for the first time, you will see this word here, compose. So you go there. So once you go there, this is what will come out. It will pop up like this. Now, I want us to discuss on this part only. This thing in here where it is saying to, you write the main recipient of the email. You put the main receiver here. Then in the same line, you see CC and BCC. So the word CC simply means carbon copy. So you carbon copy, the way it works, the main receiver is here. For example, you are sending an email to the accountant to inform them that you need to release the money for buying two computers. Now you want this same message to also be received, the same email to also be received by your director. So you put the email for your director under CC. That means when this one receives an email, they'll be able to see who else have received this same message. So it will show them that this message has also been copied to the director. Then, if you want, for example, you are sending the main receiver is the accountant. Now, you want also to send to the director, but you don't want the main receiver to know that even this same message has been sent to the director. You put the name of your director under BCC. So whoever I'm going to put here, the main receiver won't have any clue that this same email has been also copied or sent to this user whom I wrote under BCC. That's why it is called the blind carbon copy. Then under subject, we know what should be on the subject. It is where we put the main topic of what we are going to talk about. Then here, that's the main board now where you can write something for just to communicate to the person you are sending an email to. If there are attachments, you come on attach files, you attach uh, documents which you want to go together with the message which you load in here. Also, in case you want to share the link, you can come here where it is saying insert link. Then you write the main reason for the link and then you type it or you paste the link here. You can also do some changes in terms of font size, font style, all that using these functionalities here. Any question on BCC and CC? Any question? Yes, please. So you can use filters or let's say labels. So you can see here under this sidebar here, there is a section for labels. So you can add more labels. Currently, with my email management, I only have school and work labels. So if I go under work, I should only see emails relating to work. For example, if I go there, it will filter only emails which are talking about work. So you can see I only have one email under this label. For school, if I go under school, I will only have see emails relating to school. Then, if I want to add more here, I can click on this button. Then I write, please enter a new label name. For example, if I want to also create another category for personal emails. If this one, sorry, in case, so in case this label you are creating, it is falling under the set other existing label, meaning if it is a sub of a certain label, you choose here. If it is under school, if it is under work, you do that. Now, since it is just personal, you proceed. So they are saying personal label. So I already had another personal label, but that one I have created it as a sub of personal again. So in short, I can have emails falling under personal here. Again, I have another sub for personal, which should not have anything. So if I want now to put some emails here under this one, what should you do? N1. I have a lot of emails in my inbox here. Now I want to put some. Ish, yeah. I want to put some emails which is under inbox here. I categorize them with a label. How do you do that? N1. Okay, so let's do this. When I go to membership here, then I right click. There are these options. Now there is this part saying label as. Then I choose. I'm labeling it as what? Personal. Is it this main label or the sub of this main label? So I'll put it under the sub of this main label here. I click there. Also this one, I want also to label it as personal. Also this one, I want to label it as personal. So that's how you do it. Is it that? Madam Ruin, is it that? Just labeling them like this. It's not done. So if I go under personal, this folder which was, I don't want to see all these emails. I just want to filter only emails relating to personal. I don't want to be seeing all this. So you just go under a boss, click on personal, then you're only going to have emails which you labeled as personal. Any question on this categorizing them using labels? Any question?